Salmon Slayer?
Yeah, we got Salmon Slayer here fighting the big one here. She's been fighting this one for quite a while now. But they'll get her in. They don't give up that easy.
Well, yeah, she takes. I know. She'll fire it all. Now you can turn the film off, right? You start off and start again.
Well, I'd have to have two separate films that way, see?
Oh, I didn't know that.
Yeah, this one you do. I only got like 17 minutes. Shit. Yeah. 17 minutes max, and I gotta start over.
You're halfway home.
Halfway?
70%.
That makes you feel better.
Look at all that copper you're rolling up on there.
That's gonna be the biggest fish you ever caught there, maybe.
Oh yeah.
You don't feel it tight?
Oh yeah.
Keep the pressure on them.
You'll be tired by the time you get in here.
Cooling off nice out here, ain't it? You're gonna be wearing the leather jacket pretty soon. I'll be going into my big one.
Get my belt.
Jane, see what she wants.
What?
Belt sliding off to my right.
Whoa, look at it go! Look at it go! Jeez, it's fast.
Oh yeah, it's a big one. Go sing it.
I'm losing all the line I gained.
No, it's still taking. It's still taking line. Don't lose it.
Well, he's gonna have to hold it out.
Has that got cut bait down there?
No, I've got just a plain spoon.
Okay.
That's a mean fish. It's still out a long ways. It's out 200 feet.
Oh, I'll wait. I'll run out of stuff there.
Well, I thought you could stop it and start it again.
No, you can't.
What happens if you stop it right now?
Then I have to start over. It'll start a separate film.
Start a separate film, have it?
Well, I will. You know, after I get so far, I'm going to try to see how much I can get on here first.
Try to get it all on one.
Yeah.
Don't pump copper, Dean.
I still got 13 minutes left.
Yeah, Dean, don't pump copper, don't pump lead torch, because it'll snap that spoon right out of the face of the mouth.
I got sound on here too, so
Yeah, I know.
watch your vulgarity a little bit, will ya?
I didn't say any swear words.
Yeah, I know.
She's taking a break.
You oughta heard me last time.
You're almost home.
There you go. It's getting closer to the boat now.
Oh, she's bracing now. Look at that. She's really getting serious now. Next one.
100 feet and fish goes
Next
back.
one will be easier, Ruthie. That won't weigh as much.
Well, if I could even hold my arm after that.
Yeah.
Come on, Dean, I
She
need
can beat up on the old man. She doesn't need any stronger arms than that right now.
Getting tired yet, Ruth?
Yes.
There it goes again.
Come on, Dean. You're gonna lose this fish. Just enough to eat.
That must be a big one, huh? You don't want to come in.
I'm glad you drove that hook home, Dean.
You guys never set the hooks though, do you? They don't set hooks like you do when you're fighting northerns and stuff.
Certain lines you do.
Oh, really?
Well, like a copper line
Yeah,
here.
I could never understand why.
Well,
you know,
because you got the drag so loose, you want the drag to pull the line out to let you know you got a fish.
Yeah.
Okay, now on the releases, we have them set real tight so it snaps off and sets the hook for you.
I think she's going to have to take a break after this one.
That's a good time to fight it when there's not nothing going on.
Yeah.
I got 57.2 on the surface, and I got 48.2, 92 pounds. Oh, mine is changing. I got 48.1 now. 48.2.
You getting any closer, Dean?
Wait, no, that's down below. 57.3,
got about 25
4 inch jumping. Better than 67.
Yeah, we're watching here. On there.
There's the top end.
I can see the leader coming now. I got about 150 feet of leader. Probably want you to finish it up on, Dean.
I wish you would.
No, wait until you get it up close to the boat.
Look at my arms are doing.
Either that or you, when you get closer, Dean, walk her to the other side or to the middle.
I want him to take it.
I can't believe it, Terry. I got you in this thing once a little while ago, and it didn't break my camera.
You didn't, though.
No.
You got a wide-angle lens on there?
No.
You need one for filming me.
Yeah, probably. So I'm going to run out of time here. Maybe not. You've been fighting that for a long time, ain't you?
I know, but that's how they get them in. They get the fish nice and tired.
Yeah. And I didn't even start it right at the beginning.
Hey, Terry, get the net.
Yeah, I'm ready with the net, but I gotta be in the corner, and I'd like you to finish it up, Dean, because that fish is diving.
Okay.
I don't want a net across the downrigger. I want a net in that corner. Dean, you gotta get in the center of the boat. I gotta be where you're at there.
Okay, everybody move.
I'm out of here.
Next roll.
Got him. Okay, our fish. Ruth's fish.
Holy Christ!
Well, no wonder my arm was falling off. Holy shit.
Holy Christ!
I need a beer.
Wow!
Okay, where's your scale?
So you're going to have to hold that one up.
What that thing weighs.
Okay, right here.
Oh, you got
You can't even lift the scale, can you?
I can't even lift the scale.
Isn't this fun?
Oh, yeah. It was more fun when they didn't weigh quite so much.
There you go, Dean. That's a nice fish.
Holy cow.
Put a little trouble on that.
What'd you say that one would go, Terry?
I'd say that's probably 14.
That one is...
Huh?
Is that all it is?
How much?
That one is 17 and a half.
17 and a half. That's a pretty nice fish.
Well, it is.
Yeah.
Ruth, you gotta hold them up so I get your picture.
You gotta be kidding me.
No, you can hold them up. They got a hook.
There you go.
17 and a half.
I can't hold that.
Yeah, you can. Yeah, you can. Hold them up.
She did a very good job. She outfished every man on this boat, including myself. I'm not afraid to say that. She did a very good job.
Okay, give me that.